This is what? No, that one. In English. Great weather. Today we're going to try and climb Snowdon. I'm keeping my cap on because I'm determined for some nice weather to come out. Because we can't even see Snowdon at the minute. Or any mountains for that matter. We don't know where we're walking. We've had a right couple with the car park. Because none of them are working and there's no signal anywhere to ring anyone.
It's all a bit cloudy and wet.
It is. That one in English. That's the one we're taking up to Snowdon. I think there's 8 different routes.
Yeah, this is supposed to be the easiest one.
Yeah. So we're going to follow it up there. To the top.
Hopefully. As far as we know.
I'm tired already, so out of breath already.
Yeah, look how far you've come, Lauren. Car's over there.
And all think we're crazy. Absolutely peeing it down. I mean, raining. I haven't even got that far yet.
Yay! I just dripped on it.
Still keeping me crap on.
Yeah, all this sun.
It's keeping my face dry. We've just gone for a really steep bit, and it's flattened out a bit. And now we're starting to go up a bit again. You can't even see the peak, it's that bloody now.
Yeah.
Can't even see the peak, it's that.
Covered in cloud.
Yeah.
There you go.
Look, over there, there's the train track.
Oh yeah.
And down there, some lucky people have managed to get tickets for the train to take them up today. I think it takes you 3/4 of the way up. Yeah, here we are walking.
Only one person in one of the cars there.
Yeah, there was. And I think it's good. So if you didn't want to do that, looking at Mount.
Unlike us.
Yeah. Get no better. Look. I've got no idea where we are. How long we've got left.
People.
Yeah, there's some people in the distant mist.
And we saw a dog.
Yeah. A dog in a poncho.
And he definitely saw me filming.
It's got a lot colder up here now. And this is treacherous.
Sadly, it's just wet steps. Well, we're on the other side now.
We've got 300 metres.
Yeah.
Just over 300 metres now. Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Lauren's up there somewhere. Powering on forward like she always does. but look at the view. How was that, Lauren?
That was the worst experience of my entire life.
That
Can't feel my legs.
was dreadful. Back down.
I can't even get my jumper off. It's that wet.
I'm stuck in my coat. I can't move my arms properly.
I can't get it off. I don't even know if you can see how wet I am.